Now let us consider deleting elements in an array. Now removing elements can be done using two functions, remove and pop. Using remove, we specify what element needs to be deleted. So I have to give the value of the element there. And then pop, using pop, I can define what specific position or the element from what specific position needs to be deleted. If I do not give any number in the pop, if I do not give any index in the pop, it deletes the last element. So remove, if the element doesn't exist, an error arises. So it will remove only one element at a time. The remove method removes the specified item. So it will remove in case if there are many occurrences of the same item, it will remove only the first occurrence. Pop, it can be used to remove and return an item from the set, but by default it removes only the last element. To remove an element from a specific position, that index has to be passed in the pop method. Let us see examples. So with remove, this is the list 1 to 12, and I say list dot remove 5. So now it will remove this 5. I want to remove this number 5 in. So it will remove the number 5. I will remove number 6. So 5 and 6 are deleted. Please note 5 and 6 are not indexes here. 5 and 6 are the value of the elements. So for example, if there is a hello, I can give list dot remove of hello within double quotes. It will remove hello from the list. Using pop. Now with pop, I need to specify what index has to be removed. So if I have 1 2 3 4, and if I say list dot pop of 2, so the index 2 needs to be removed. Index 2 is this, and so after popping I will be left with 1 2 and 4.